Offering a 401k plan is a great benefit. Setting up contributions in ADP automates deductions and streamlines your record keeping. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to set it up. First, work with your 401k provider and ADP to establish the data feed connection between the systems. Then, in ADP, you create a 401k deduction plan. You define the rules, employee deferral limits, any employer match formula, and eligibility. Assign this plan to eligible employees. Each employee can then set their own deferral percentage or amount via ADP self-service. During payroll, ADP calculates the deduction, deducts it from the employee's pay, and includes the employer match. My crucial pro tip: use the contribution audit report each pay period. This report clearly shows the employee and employer amounts being sent to the 401k provider. Reviewing it before submission is the best way to catch any calculation errors. That's how you turn a valuable benefit into an automated, reliable process. Does your company offer a 401k match? What's your policy? Let me know in the comments. If you appreciate guides on setting up employee benefits, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.